Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and welcome to video number 9 in our series called 21 Looks, where we encourage you to steal the look that we make. That means clicking the link in the description and downloading photos and video assets so you can sell looks like this to your customer. Now, we're in the category of fashion, and this is our third look in that category for that particular target market. Guys, this is a super nice denim jacket, and jean jackets are continuing to be popular and continuing to trend. Did you know that you can decorate them with a heat press? Well, we're going to show you how today with two different products. Our SimStitch product, which is a twill product, a polyester twill that looks like it has a sewn edge, but it's just heat applied on. And we're going to do a 2-color application with a unique placement on that. And we've also ordered a variety of these CAD Prints Permatwill patches, which are just little cute icons that are full color, that are sublimated onto twill, and Stahls will provide them to you. So all you have to do is heat apply. Now there's some special considerations here, so let's head over to the heat press and get this jacket loaded. We're working on our Hotronix Auto Clam, and the special tool that we need for the job is a heat press pillow. A heat press pillow allows things like zippers and seams and buttons to sink down in so you can still get an even pressure area. Now with the heat press pillow into place, I'm going to take my jean jacket and I'm going to split it and thread it onto the press. Now I'll have to reach in and adjust my pillow and just pull it forward a bit. But as you can see here, the pillow is completely inside, and things like these buttons are going to sink down in when I lock the heat press down. Now these are metal buttons, they're not plastic, so I'm not worried about them melting at all. But one thing I do want to do is cover it with a cover sheet and check my pressure, just to make sure I'm going to get good contact here. So there's a ton of pressure there, so let's raise the platen by turning this counterclockwise. Still need a little further to go. Still a little further to go. And then lock it down. And I have a pressure readout right here. It's reading at a 4. That's also acting as my preheat to be able to remove the moisture and some of the wrinkles from the garment. Of course, it's a denim jacket. There's going to be different wrinkles throughout. Now my feature application is this SimStitch product. I'm going to put it right up here in the top area. Make sure you don't touch the buttons. They're super hot when you're doing this. I'm going to start with a background print. Normally I would heat press this down first, but for the sake of time, I'm going to actually just go ahead and press these together and make sure they get the full application time. So that'll stay positioned there. That's called SimStitch. Now I'm going to grab just an assortment of the different emojis and cute icons. You can upload your own artwork, and then the idea here is that you can just throw these wherever on your garment. I wouldn't recommend really going super duper close to a seam, but going onto a pocket, leaving a little bit of distance away from these super thick seams is no problem. So just throw these around the jacket, make it your own, mash it up for the particular client that you're decorating for. And I recommend just, stocking different icons that will mean different things to different people. Position those all into place. Now these are sublimated, so one big cover sheet is helpful because these will sublimate to the cover sheet. And so you want to use a fresh cover sheet every time. Butcher paper works great. We include cover sheets with the product, but these are all individual. So I'm just going to go ahead and waste my sheet of craft paper to be able to show you this look here. But just cover it with whatever cover sheet, cover the whole thing, and then go ahead and lock it down for the recommended time, temperature, and pressure. Now SimStitch at a 2-layer takes 20 to 30 seconds, and then our CAD Prints Permatwill goes at 300 degrees for about 10 to 20 seconds. So I'm running the whole thing at 20 seconds. It'll all apply together. The press will automatically open when it's finished. I remove my cover sheet, and it's beautiful, the completed result. Let's head over to the table and take a closer look. This is a close-up view of our 2-color SimStitch. You get the simulated stitch edging, and you can see how it can be layered onto itself. Very easy to complete. Now, a close-up at our CAD Prints Permatwill. Again, you can use any full-color logo, even a single-color logo. However many colors, doesn't matter. We print that and sublimate it onto this polyester twill material so it matches the same finish as the SimStitch, just with a full-color icon. So does this look like something you would want to sell to your customers? If so, it's very easy to execute, and you can allow your customers to be creative with picking their icons and then you mashing them up onto the jacket in the exact location that you see fit when you're printing it. But the next step is to steal this look. Click the link in the description and download the imagery to see if it's something your customers would be interested in. Thanks for watching.